Let us understand how to set up the radiant heat warmer in labor room and in NICU. The control panel of the radiant warmer has two probes which record the temperature and two modes. The two probes for temperature recording are air temperature probe and skin temperature probe. The two modes are the manual mode and the servo mode. In manual mode, the temperature set is default at 37 degrees Celsius for rapid warming. Once temperature reaches 37 degrees Celsius, it switches to servo mode automatically or must be switched to servo mode manually by pressing the button. Control panel has buttons to select the desired mode and probes. It also has up and down buttons to select the temperature setting. Some warmers have only one probe, which is usually used as skin temperature probe. When you enter the delivery room, check the delivery room temperature. The room temperature should be between 26 to 28 degrees Celsius. Close the door, windows and AC. Start the warmer on manual mode for rapid warming. Fix the air probe at the appropriate place in case of dual probe warmers. Check and prepare resuscitation equipments. Check for oxygen supply, suction and put on the monitor. Put 3 to 4 extra sterile sheet in the warmer bed for preheating. Take hand wash and wear gloves and be ready to receive the baby. When the baby is received by you, dry the baby with pre-warm sterile sheet and remove wet linen and then take fresh sterile linen. Check if the baby is breathing or crying or needs resuscitation. Attach the skin probe on the abdomen of the baby and note temperature. In manual mode, the heater output is 100% till the baby temperature reaches 37 degrees Celsius. The control panel switches to servo mode once the baby's temperature reaches 37 degrees Celsius. Once the baby is warm, then you can weigh the baby and administer vitamin K and hand over the baby for feeding or further management as indicated. When you are informed about the baby being admitted to NICU, take proper hand wash and put on the warmer in manual mode. Put on the monitor and attach the neonatal probe to the monitor. Keep the oxygen supply and suction ready. Prepare the baby's bed with sterile linen. Attach the air temperature probe to the appropriate place on the warmer and be ready to receive the baby. Once the baby is received, keep the baby on the pre-warm sterile linen on the warmer bed. Attach the skin probe on the baby's abdomen and pulse ox probe on the right hand. If the baby is hypothermic, keep the warmer on manual mode and record the temperature with the thermometer. Do rapid assessment of vitals by noting the pulse ox and random blood sugar, etc. You can weigh the baby after initial stabilization. Shift to servo skin mode and set the temperature of the skin probe between 36.5 to 37.5 degrees Celsius and the air probe setting as per the protocol on the ambient temperature from the chart. Record the temperature periodically as per protocol.